All right, good day. We are looking for trades for tomorrow. You'll get this video on Sunday, right? So this is going to be for Monday, the 30th of October. Of course, I'm recording this on Friday, the 27th. A couple good trade setups that I see, okay? Now, if you recall back, ZIV, remember I told you a few days ago after we saw this? It's a very bullish bar, right? I mean, we traded down here, closed up in here. Look at this. We're up a few points from when I told you about that, right? I was really looking for this market to close. Again, this is an ETF. It's the inverse VIX medium term, okay? So it's not the VXX, but the ZIV, which is medium term. Great, great market to trade. Love trading this market. But again, I would have loved to have seen it close down in here. That would have been, well, that was a buy for sure, okay? And I traded it on an intraday basis when we traded down here. But again, you get these videos the night after, so the night of. But again, that's ZIV. Okay, the one trade, two trades actually. UCTT, get a big gap. Okay, ultra clean holding. Right, we've been in an uptrend for quite a while. Had a nice run up. I love when stocks gap down like this yesterday, closing the bottom quarter. Look at this, 2-bar RSI below 10. We've proceeded to move down through Thursday's low here. I love it. We're oversold. We're at a reading of 1 in an overall uptrend. Now, granted, you could argue, hey, you've taken out that the 21 and the 10. Short term, we're down, yes, but overall, if you were to look at a bigger picture of this chart, I mean, look at this is where we're at, okay? And we had a substantial run up right in here. Okay, now we're pulling back. Now we're getting into territory where I definitely believe we will get a bounce. So, I am actually, so for those of you watching, you want to be buying Monday, right? From wherever it closes, right now we're trading at 24.67. Anywhere from wherever it closes, because it hasn't closed, it closes in an hour. Anywhere from close to the low of the day will be a perfect setup. Okay, and instead of using a hard stop, we're going to use a dynamic exit. And I will show you exactly how to exit when we get it. But first, you need to get into the trade, right? So I'm looking to get in right in here, actually. Okay, that's UCTT gold. I believe we are setting up for a buy here. All right, yesterday closed right in here. Thursday closed here. 2 bars under 10, getting close to this low and getting close to that 200 moving average, right? Let's take a look. Make sure it's 200. Is it simple or it's okay? It's simple. It is the 200. Like the 200, getting close to it. And so anywhere from, I would say, mid-range of Friday, so 120.55 roughly, 120.55 down to 1978. This is the buy zone. Okay, so those are the 2 trades of the day. Let's take a look at SELB, still holding SELB. Remember, we went long just a few days back. Actually on this day, right? In between these 2 white horizontal lines, had a big blow off bar, and I was telling you the last couple of days that we should trade higher. We traded all the way up to 22 and right back down, had a little tight inside vertical bar, and now we're trading up. And I'm holding this trade, and as you know, I've been long Starbucks for a little bit, not right? These 2 white horizontal lines represent my buy areas. Let's just look at the overall market. Crazy market, stronger than get out. Okay, the NASDAQ market. Take a look at the NASDAQ market. Unbelievable. Take a look at the big. Here, let me just show you. Yeah, I mean, look at Amazon. Amazon over 1,100. Let me show you a chart here. Look at this. Amazon. Okay. MMM. All right. Twitter, been long Twitter for quite a while, since 16 and change, 1640. Look at this, 2169. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Microsoft. Look at Microsoft. So basically today, Friday the 27th, right? We're battling between Jeff Bezos being the richest in the world and Bill Gates. Okay, so that should be interesting. Who's richer? I am not exactly sure, because if you recall back just a couple months ago when Amazon hit 1,085 for a couple hours there, Jeff Bezos was the richest in the world, right? On this day, actually on July 27th, right? And then it sold off right here a little bit, and then Gates took hold. But with Microsoft, crazy, 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 crazy. Really strong. So just some great markets. Look at Facebook hit a new high. MMM, right? 3M. So we got Amazon, Twitter, GE just getting killed, but this pays a 4% dividend, right? So again, I think it's still a good one to own. General Electric's not going out of business anytime soon. You're getting a dividend there. Tesla's down. Apple's back up, not quite on the high, but still going higher. And Starbucks. I mean, actually, all these markets I've been long for quite a while. So hope that helps. Let's just go quickly back to the two trades that I believe are setting up for Monday. I think gold, or if you're right, gold and UCTT, right down in here, okay? And I'll put that on my watch list as well. Or not watch list, but actually trades right here. All right, hope that helps. Hope you had a great weekend. I'll be back with you tomorrow.